Dear students, let us talk about how to write a good story. Introduction. A story is a narration of a set of fictions event used to convey a moral message. Format is here. Context. Use phrases like once upon a time, long ago. It means the introduction of characters through dialogue or narration. Then plot description of an event, accident, climax, end of the story, and marking scheme according to CBSE board mostly remains 6 marks for content, fluency for 2 marks for fluency, and accuracy 2 marks. Under content, credit should be given for the candidate's creativity in presenting ideas. It means while attempting this question. Now further, let us talk in detail. A story is an account of imaginary or real people and events told for entertainments. Stories cast a magic spell on all of us and have mind altering effects. Stories give us inspiration and sometimes challenge our beliefs. Story writing is an art. It is the oldest form of written composition. It is a work of imagination that is written in an easily understandable grammatical structure. A story is meant to be read in a single sitting, and therefore it should be as direct and brief as possible. Every story has a beginning, middle, and an end. A story is divided into paragraphs. The first para is introductory, while the last one contains the conclusion. The paragraphs in the middle serve to develop the story. Now, characteristics of a good story. First point is here, write a catchy first paragraph. Catchy means very attractive. Develop your characters. Choose a point of view. Write meaningful dialogues. Use setting and context. Setting includes the time, location, context, and atmosphere where the plot takes place. Set up the plot. A plot is a series of events deliberately arranged so as to reveal their dramatic, thematic, and emotional significance. Create conflict and tension. Conflict produces tension that makes the story begin. Tension is created by the opposition between the character and internal or external forces or conditions. Build to a crisis or climax. This is the turning point of the story. Find a resolution. The solution to the conflict is resolved. Stories are accounts of real or fictional incidents narrated in an interesting manner. A story needs to be planned well. Every story has some people who are the characters, the reactions and reactions form the story. There has to be a background or a place which is referred to as the setting of the story. A writer also needs to think of additional details to make characters more realistic. So the different things that make a story are number one plot, next characters, and next setting. Okay. Plot means here most stories have a sequence and purpose or the reason why the story is being told. Some stories have a moral or a message. Others have a usual ending or a suspense element. Some stories are adventurous, some are funny, and some are scary. We see a starting point that moves through different courses to an ending point. Characters. The story has people, animals, or any other creatures as its characters to add a touch of reality. It is necessary to base them on real life. It is also important to think of special qualities or behavior patterns. Build the characters to create reactions of admiration, fear, hatred, etc. in the reading mind. There is usually one main character, the protagonist, and the other supporting characters. Suitable thoughts or dialogue also add more details to the character. Setting. The background of the story is the setting. The story can happen in a forest or a classroom. It is possible for the story to happen in a totally imaginary place like Twilight, Fairyland, etc. Again, you will need to detail the settings to make it more suitable to the plot and the characters. A story moves at different speeds in different situations. The story may be told through any one of the characters or a combination of some characters. It is very important to have a good beginning and proper ending. So, story writing topics to remember: the story needs to be original, the story needs to be told in an interesting manner, the story needs to have a message, the beginning of the story needs to be exciting and should capture the attention of the readers. The end of the story needs to be worth remembering, and interesting and suitable title should be given. So, all these points, if you follow, I think you can be able to write a very good story. Thank you, students.